Hi, I'm Harshad, an ERP customer support executive at EduPlus campus. In this video, we are going to see how to apply for leave and how to approve leave.
Log in with your credentials, then go to Leave, select Employee and click on Leave. Here you can see total leaves in approved, availed and total balance. Select leave type and then hit proceed. Here you have to select the date from date to date. Once you select the date, number of days will occur.
Select date from date to date. The number of days will occur automatically. Then give reason and then hit apply. Then leave will be applied. Now you have to adjust load adjustment. Click on details. If leave is for 2 days, then you have to adjust load for 2 days. Give time.
Now assign the task detail, whether it's teaching or practical, and
Select faculty. Same as. Then hit save. So once we applied the load adjustment to a particular faculty, that particular faculty will log in through their login account, and they will go to leave employee and they see load adjustment. Now they have to adjust load by their side, so they will give the status, then they will adjust.
if the faculty rejects the load request, then employee has to again adjust load to another faculty from their login.
Coming back to our login, we can see now load adjustment is right. It's done. So the status is in process and it's pending from HOD. Now HOD has to log in through their login and they have to approve its leave.
So coming back to HOD's login, go to Leave, select HOD, then click on HOD recommend reject leave and hit proceed. So here we can see the pending leave applications. So we have to give some remark and we have to select the status between reject or recommend, then hit save. Now the leave is approved from HOD side. From the employees login we can see the status is in process and pending from principal. Now principal has to log in from their account and approve this leave. So coming back to principal's login, go to leave, go to principal, that principal recommend reject leave, hit proceed, and we can see the pending leave applications. So give some remark and select status between reject and approve. So I select approve and then hit save. So coming back to employees login, now we can see the status is approved. Previously it's pending from principal. Now principal has approved the leave. Now its status is approved. Thank you.